This is Dan Davies from AbleLink Smart Living Technologies with another 4-minute tutorial on AbleLink WayFinder. Today we are going to look at the builder settings in WayFinder. So let's get started. I'll go into the settings, tap the icon on the top left, and select Builder Settings. There are two builder settings. The first one I'll talk about is Auto Record Audio. You notice currently it is not checked, so it's turned off. This relates to route building. So let's go to the route editor. Here's a route I started building previously, and I'm going to edit it. Now when I add a new location for this route, it will take me to the location page where I can set the parameters for this specific waypoint. The record button is here for me to press, so I can now press it to record an instructional audio. For example, wait here for the bus. And then when it comes, wait for everyone to get off first and then get on the bus. So you'll notice I had to press the record button for the audio recording to begin. Now let's go change the setting. Head back to the settings area of WayFinder, and I will turn on the auto record audio feature. This time, when I go in to edit that route and add a waypoint, you'll notice that as soon as I hit the new button to add the new waypoint, the audio recorder will already have begun. This allows you to make it a little bit easier to create a route because you have one less button to press as you're creating the route, because typically you have lots of things going on. So now when I hit the new button, it will automatically record the audio. Now it's time to notify the driver that you'd like to get off. Pull the cord and wait for the bus to stop. If I add another waypoint, the audio recorder will also start automatically. Now get off the bus and head to work. So that's a summary of how the auto record audio feature works in WayFinder. So let's take a look at the second builder setting. I'll head back to settings and describe what the corridor setting is all about. So use corridor data is what it says here. That's turned on by default. So let's take a look at a map and see what corridor data is all about. So here I am in the Travel Manager application, which is used to track trips. And you'll see a trip starting point here. There's a couple of waypoints with these red pins. Large pins are waypoints. In between, you'll also notice all these little red pins along with the gray circles around them. This represents the path of travel for this route, or the corridor of travel. So corridor data is captured as a route is created when this option is turned on in settings. And it is on by default. So new routes that you create with WayFinder will capture corridor data automatically. The corridor indicates, as I said, the path of travel. And as you deviate from this path of travel and get out of the corridor, that's how WayFinder is able to detect that you have gone off route. So that's a quick summary of this feature in the builder settings. We'll have another session that goes into much more detail about corridor data and how to capture it if it hasn't been captured, and how to reset it if you need to reset it, and all the aspects of corridor data. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you next time.